Hi, today I'll be sharing how you can check a keyword rank from Ahrefs. For example, here is your Ahrefs dashboard. When I go to Keyword Explorer, I type a random keyword, for example, Facebook ads, and I selected the location which I wanted, like US. You can select any other location and it will show you the ranking of like that particular location. So when you select the location, click on search. You can see here the keyword difficulty is 91, the search volume is 46k. Now you can see the most relevant keywords that can rank or that are ranking, but it will show you, it will go from high to low. For example, it is if this is 46k, then it will show 43k, 30k. Now if I want, I have to see that here are the competitors whose articles are ranking on that particular keyword. See, you can get all the data from here, and now you can, if you click on export, you can see it will export each and every data into Google Sheets if your Google is connected. Once you click on open Google Sheets, you will get the entire data. You will get how and which keyword is ranking on for which particular URL, for which country, for how much difficulty, for how much volume. So in this way you can check any keywords ranking history.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.